So when we're looking at percent increase and decrease, what we need to do is figure out how much change has occurred. So it's really the amount of change and we're comparing this with however much the original amount was. Original or starting amount. Now that'll give us some kind of decimal value, and if we multiply that by 100, then we'll have some kind of percent out of that. All we've got to do is acknowledge after we find the percent whether it's in increasing or decreasing. So number one, the Salt Lake Community College decreased from 34,654 to 33,420. What was the percentage of decrease? So they already told us that it's a decrease, so we just got to figure out the change. So we're going to take these two, the amount of change, we're just finding the difference between those numbers. So 34,654, and then we'll subtract 33,420. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that worked out pretty good. So there was a change of 1,234. And now we'll just take that and divide it by the original. So it started with 34,654, and then it went to the 33,420. So that's what we started with, was the 34,654. And I'm just going to divide these two and then multiply that by 100. So yeah, that gave me a pretty nasty looking decimal, so I just multiplied that right away by 100. And I got rounded to the nearest tenth of a percent, I got 3.56, so that will round up to 3.6%. And we already knew that it was a decrease. So it's a 3.6% decrease. All right, number two, let's look at that one real quick. We got a 7.7% to 10%. So to find the change, we're going to take 10 and subtract 7.7. So that should be 2.3%. Well, we do need to divide this, right? So 2.3% divided by the 7.7%. And when we multiply that by 100, we'll have the percent increase. Now this was already in percentages, so it may make that a little confusing, but we can type this directly in. So 2.3 divided by 7.7 times 100, and I got 29.87, so I'll round that up to 9%. 29.9% increase. Number 7, the number of students at a university increased from 550 to 704 in 1 year. Small university there. So let's figure out the amount of change. So 704 students, subtract the 550 that we had originally. So 4, borrow, carry, 5 and 1. So it increased by 154 students.
Decreased.
On this one, and that's what we'll divide it by, is the original amount, which was 550. Now once again, if we multiply this by 100, we should have directly our answer. So 154 divided by 550 times the 100, I got 28. 28 even. So it's a 28% increase.